Okay, congrats friend, all the best. Thank you.
And Dr. D. Satish Kumar for generous support and encouragement that has constantly bolstered all our endeavors. My heartfelt thanks to the head of various departments and the faculty for their valuable contribution, guidance, encouragement in all our efforts. I thank all the parents and well-wishers for their support system and encouragement. Thank you so much for attending this event. I thank all the non-teaching staff for their support. Once again, I thank all from the bottom of my heart. I request all the students, the family students, ACOP campus, to come forward onto the stage for a group photo.
Okay guys, so finally Subi graduation today and she's so happy. Just say hi.
Hi, this
Yeah.
is my graduation certificate.
So how do you feel today, Subi?
I feel so nice. After 6 long years, I'm graduating.
Okay. So she has been in India for 6 years, guys. You're doing PharmD, right?
Doctor of Pharmacy.
She's now a doctor, guys. You can tell her congrats. And actually, we are doing a special vlog, guys. It's a special video. We don't actually do vlogs in the reaction channels, right? So we made it special vlog for you guys because she's part of our reaction channel, guys. So I decided to make this first vlog, and let me know, guys, if you would love to watch more vlogs. Actually, my decision or my plan was to start making vlog if I travel Shillong, because very soon I'm coming to Shillong, maybe October or November, guys. So for today we are celebrating Subi, so enjoy, guys. Yeah, so Subi will tell us some actually, guys, this college, this university, I also studied here and I complete my BTech, and we are going to tell you about the university and we'll show you about the campus, how it looks like. It's a very big university and very amazing. So Subi can share with us just some difficulties or some good time that you had. Feel free to
Difficulties is the language barrier because we don't know Telugu. People here speak Telugu language, so it was so difficult for us to communicate.
Okay.
I didn't even
But
communicate.
classes is not in Telugu, right?
Class is in English, but still we didn't get much bonding because of language barrier. I didn't communicate much with anyone.
Okay, so how about your relationship with the local people here?
Local people with English we could of course communicate, but with that we know when the language is similar you will get more special bonding. It was not like that.
Have you ever felt something bad since you started studying here?
Bad at first I felt bad because far away from home. It was like different place to me, different country and different place. That's why it was little bit difficult, but
So
slowly I adapted everything here.
So in general, how do you feel like here? In general, good? You enjoyed your journey?
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Okay.
I got to know about like
What
South
about the
India.
Kasi friends?
Huh?
What about the Kasi friends here? Actually,
Kasi, I
guys.
don't have much Kasi friends.
Oh, okay, guys. So we are doing this vlog for you people, the Kasi people, right? So she will tell us like, how, like in your class, how many Kasi people was there?
In mine, only from first campus, one boy was there.
One boy was there. So in total campus, so how many Kasi? You can guess?
No, only one boy was there
Only
from
one
our
boy,
yeah.
right? Okay, guys. So there is so many actually Kasi people here, and I actually got to know about the Kasi people from this college, from this university. If not this university, guys, I wouldn't have been doing the vlogs or the reaction for you, because I met them and they became my friends, and they started telling me and suggesting me about the Kasi people, the life, the culture, the tradition, and the place. That is why we started to know about you more, guys. So many people are also coming, guys. In case you would love to know about the university or you would love to join, guys, you can text me out in Instagram. I will let you know. Like, it's a nice place, guys. It's a nice university, honestly, to speak about. And so many foreign students are there. Like, she's from Nepal. How many Nepalese students are there?
Like seven, eight,
right?
From our class. Before there were so many, but they graduated and some of them left the college.
Okay.
And we also have Africans.
Yeah, there is so many African students here, guys. If you just want to see international students here, that is the place, guys. This is the place. So meet Princess Rinta, welcome.
Hi, Gaps.
So how do you feel today, Rinta?
I'm feeling blessed.
Oh, I can see your family.
Yeah.
Okay.
My father, my mom, my
Okay,
uncle.
hello mom. Okay. So how was your journey in total? How was it?
It was a good experience.
Good experience.
Yeah, it was a good experience.
Any kind of challenges you face here?
Obvious, so much challenges we are facing still now. Like till now, we didn't got a job, so we are trying for that. Yeah. So all the best for other people who are just completing their course. That's it.
What any small message you can give to your juniors?
Like work hard. If you'll work hard, you'll get success definitely.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is my friend Rinta, guys. She finally made it. Congrats, Rinta.
Thank you.
Hi, family. So everyone is happy, and it's been like a big event, guys. And it was a combined event for Farm D student, Farm D and
B Farm.
B Farm, guys.
They combined us actually. They will take this after 3 months, but since they were taking for B Pharmacy, so they thought of ours also later.
Hey Ali, come here. Yeah. Meet my best friend, my best football teammate. It's called Alika from Kerala, guys. If you want to know the best footballers, don't say they used to say, hey, Northeast people are very good in football, right?
Yeah.
I think Sikkim.
Manipur.
Manipur is very good, but I doubt that. It is only Kerala. I have been to Kerala. Yeah, welcome Ali. Say something, brother.
Yeah, man. Today I'm so happy. It's been 6 years here in Aditya. So me here, Subarna,
It's Vena, say hi.
Hi.
Subi also
Subi is
today.
here.
We all got graduated together. So luckily we have gaps here to witness our this special occasion here.
Okay.
So it's been so happy. I'm so happy today.
Okay,
It's been 6 years here. Yeah.
Feel good, right? Okay, congrats, friend. All the best. Thank you.
Okay, myself Devyani, I'm from Ranchi and today I am finally graduated.
After 6
Dr.
years.
Devyani.
Okay. So how is your journey so far?
It was really tough, 6 years.
6 years.
But here I am today.
What kind of challenges you might have faced so far?
It's a long story, Gaps.
It seemed like you haven't faced any challenges.
No. How could you say that?
Okay. Like academically, how do you think about the university?
Okay, it is good. Like in the last 2 years, we have our internship in GSL hospital. We learned a lot, and really faculties are good. Our university is really good, so it's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Hope for the best for the future.
Thank you. So this is Devanis. She's from Ranchi, guys, and I was trying to say something very important about this university, guys. In case you would love to know or you would love to join this university, guys. Like honestly, I studied here, and there is like BTech, Pharmacy, like there is a lot of branches, department here, guys. But if you're a serious student, I will only recommend this university for you guys. If you really want to study, you want to succeed, you want to focus in your career, you want to achieve your goal, this university, it means for you because it's very strict. I'm trying to say they are very strict when it comes to attendance, credit, guys. If you love sleeping, this university is not for you. If you're a lazy person, I'm sorry to say, you don't need to ask me about this university or no need to know because it's not for lazy people. But like the study academically is very good, guys, because like they pressure the student to work hard, to study by making them to come all the time to university. and their exam is not also easy. It's not easy, I'm telling you. If you study, but you will definitely make it. So that is it, right, Subi?
Yes.
Yeah. So here is not easy place. Here, this place only is for serious people. Without studying, you cannot make it here. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So we are going to have fun,
It's not
guys.
easy.
It's not
We
easy.
have to give mid exam for us. They will not take semester wise. They will just take yearly wise. So it's more difficult for us. They will take 3 mids and 1 final exam.
Okay. So it's not easy, guys. But if you really want to make it, you can come out here. As I said earlier, there is so many Kasi students. They came here from Meghalaya and they made it, guys. There is nothing impossible as long as you want to achieve your dream. So guys, the graduation is finally over and I just came around here to show you some beautiful view or the places that we have in the Aditya University here, guys. So this place is in Andhra Pradesh, that is South India, guys. So behind me is the church, you can see, guys. Since this place is having international students, so they made a lot of different worshipping places. So this is the church for the Christian people, and front here you can see this is the temple, guys. This is a temple for the Hindu people, and next afterward, guys, you can see that is a masjid. That is a masjid for the Muslim people, guys, and far there also is a temple. So all those places is for the worshipping places, and you don't need to worry where you have to pray, where you have to go. In just all these places is within the university, guys. Like there is so many things here, so many fans. Like it's so actually so big for me to explore, but you can search other videos also inside there about the Aditya College or Aditya University. Before it was a college, guys. It was a college, but now it became university, so you can call it Aditya University. And it was famous for Aditya College. So in South India, that is Kakinada, guys. So nice. It was raining, guys, and you can see how everything looks so clean. Everywhere is neat. You can see this woman here is cleaning, and that is so nice thing. Like this place is so nice. Like I just feel good being inside this compound, guys. Like the university compound is so good, guys. It's so good, and you feel just good here, guys. So that is it. I'm going to end it. So till next time, until I come Shillong, then we'll start making good vlogs. Okay, this vlog only was because of Subi. Till next time.